Just imagine a bread that's so healthy, so incredibly healthy, that it even helps you prevent various health problems. A bread that you don't have to eat just a tiny piece of at breakfast or in the afternoon. Yes, this bread really exists, and today I'm going to teach you how to make it. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a bread that's low carb, has a low glycemic index, and is perfect for people with diabetes, prediabetes, or anyone who wants to prevent these issues. But this bread here is also incredibly good for your gut microbiota. It benefits your intestinal health. It's rich in prebiotic fibers that serve as healthy food for your microbiota. And it's also rich in omega-3, a fat with anti-inflammatory properties. It's amazing, guys. It's also gluten-free, vegan, and lactose-free. Let's learn how to make it. Welcome to another super healthy recipe here on the channel. I'm Camila Victorino, a PhD biologist, and I specialize in developing healthier recipes to help you achieve your goal of better health. Subscribe to the channel here because all my recipes here are truly healthy. They are 100% plant-based, completely gluten-free, entirely sugar-free, and absolutely packed with beneficial ingredients that possess significant anti-inflammatory potential and will truly benefit your overall well-being. And now let's carefully start this delightful recipe with the primary and most important ingredient. Here, I have precisely 1.5 cups of golden flaxseed. That's right, flaxseed, guys. Look, I'm going to grab the pitcher of my blender. See, I've got the flaxseed here. We're going to use golden flaxseed to make this bread recipe. And it's a good idea to use the golden one, okay? Because the brown one has a stronger taste and we want to avoid that. Grab your blender pitcher. Let's put this flaxseed in here. And flaxseed is rich in fiber, right? Prebiotics that benefit your gut microbiota. And it also has a lot of omega-3. It's an essential fat for us with anti-inflammatory properties. Besides that, flaxseed is rich in antioxidant compounds and it even seems to help prevent premature cellular aging. So look how healthy this bread is, because the main ingredient in this bread is flaxseed, and flaxseed is all of that for you. So the first thing we do, let's close this up here. And we're going to blend this flaxseed to turn it into fine flour, okay? So let's do it now. Look, I've already made my flaxseed flour here. Now you're going to carefully grab your mixing bowl and we're going to gently put this flaxseed flour in here, right into the center. Perfect. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond flour. Here you can substitute the almond flour with oat flour, okay? But in that case, it won't be a low-carb bread, but it's an option if you don't have it. And you can also substitute it with peanut flour. You can find almond flour or peanut flour ready to buy. You don't need to make it at home, okay? And almond flour is rich in vitamin E, which is a vitamin with antioxidant properties. All right, now I am going to carefully add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and also 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Here, I currently have 4 full tablespoons of psyllium, which is a beneficial plant fiber. You can easily find it for sale at many health food stores or conveniently online, okay? I wanted to tell you that psyllium is important in this recipe, all right? Don't worry, psyllium is very easy to find. We might not have it at home, but it's easy to find these days, all right? So just do a quick search and you'll find it, okay? Let's add it in now. Perfect, let's mix it up. Now, carefully set it aside for a moment. Next, take a small sturdy saucepan and gently add precisely 1 1/3 cups of fresh, clean water. Now we're going to heat this water until it boils, then turn off the heat. Let's go! Look, our water has boiled, so turn it off. Now what are you going to do? You're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to this freshly boiled water. Mix it well. Set it aside. Now take your bowl again with all the dry ingredients mixed together. And now we're going to add this water in, okay? Be careful, the water is freshly boiled, all right? So at first it's better to mix it with a spoon. Afterwards, you'll have to use your hands. Let's pour this water in here. Mix it well. And now you already have your bread dough, okay? Check to see if it's good, right? See how it sticks to your hand? What are you going to do? You're going to get a bowl of water. You wet your hands and then you take the dough and start shaping it like this. I've gathered all the dough here, okay? Set it aside. Now I'm going to get a baking tray with a silicone mat. Here you can use a sheet of parchment paper, okay? Greased with olive oil. So carefully shape your bread dough like this. Remember, it will have these cracks here. No problem, we'll fix it, okay? Let's put it on top here. Press it down a little, it can't be too tall, or the middle won't cook. So press it down. And here you can shape it, okay? You can use a little water here to help smooth it out, so it doesn't have those cracks. Very well, now what I'm going to do is take a little delightful mixture here. This particular part is entirely optional, folks. It's like a vegan egg wash, okay? It is completely optional. I'm just going to gently brush it on with a soft silicone brush, all right? Go ahead and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit, okay? And then I have a mix of white and black sesame seeds and I sprinkle them on top. Here, to make it stick better and more securely, it's always good to gently press the sesame seeds down with a fork, okay? Great, it's looking good, isn't it? You'll see. I know what you're thinking, but just wait and see how delicious this will turn out. All right, let's put it in the oven to bake and I'll be back. I'm back here with the final result. Look how beautiful our flaxseed bread turned out, guys. It even forms that typical crust you see on artisanal breads. It almost looks like we bought it, right? But no, you made it yourself. It baked in my oven for 50 minutes. The time is just an estimate because it can vary from oven to oven. Yes, it does take a little while to be fully ready, but it's truly worth the effort. Give it a try, be patient, because in the end you'll have this wonderful, freshly baked bread right here in your own home. Tip: it's a good idea to let your bread cool completely before you slice it, okay? Usually, you wait about 8 hours, so it's a good idea to make it the night before. Then let it rest overnight and you'll have this delicious bread to enjoy with your breakfast, okay? If you want to discover more of my healthy recipes, all vegan, 100% plant-based, lactose-free, sugar-free, and gluten-free, come take my courses and check out my recipe books. Once again, come check out my school. There you can find all my books and courses, okay? The link to my school is here in the description, and there's also this QR code here. Just point your phone's camera at it, and the link will pop up so you can check it out if you want to get healthier. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy my recipes, so I'll see you in the next video. That's it. See you next time.